Hi, welcome to another SippyBee Short. My name is Richard, your host here at SippyBee, the fun and comprehensive app where we help you find, choose, purchase, taste, and learn about wine, all in one fun app. Today we're going to talk about selecting wine and some tips when you're going out maybe to a restaurant or to a wine store, or maybe when you're perusing a list of sets of wine here at SippyBee. So a couple of ideas about selecting wine. First, know what you like, but more importantly, know how to explain what you like. So when you're at the wine store or in a restaurant, learn a little bit about wine vocabulary so you can tell people what you like. That will make you more successful in getting that great bottle. And that's a wonderful thing about SippyBee. When you purchase one of our wine sets, my personalized video tour helps you in the tasting process, and we talk about all that wine vocabulary. Second thing, drink things you like, but certainly be open to new things. Expand your horizon, because there's some exciting things out there. Again, SippyBee helps you find things that are similar to what you like, so you can always be trying new things. Third, enjoy what you're drinking. Don't drink passively. Think about it a little bit. Think about the wine and food context also, and then also about the occasion and how it enhances that. Fourth, the best wine is not just what you like, but what's the best thing for the context of the moment that you're in. The food that you're eating, the people that you're with, the occasion that is. Think about the wine that really goes with that. White wine or red wine can't go with everything. So mix it up. Think about what will be best with that context. And then finally, wine can be this otherworldly experience, sure, but don't take it too seriously. It's important to have fun with wine. So thanks for joining me for another SippyBee Short, and I hope you have time to take a look at our wine sets, because you'll find something there to interest you, whether you're looking for something for introductory to explore the world of wine, or you want to taste some different whites or reds, or maybe do a deep dive into Tuscany or other places around the world. See you again soon.